Hello guys, welcome back. So I made a video about how to get a $50 deposit bonus, which I posted of recent, and I'm sure a lot of us have gotten it, but we're not able to trade due to the fact that it actually shows trading disabled. Now, actually, I've been seeing comments in my Telegram channel about those who were not able to trade due to the fact it was showing trading disabled, and then I took my time to actually go through the site so to figure out what's wrong and how to be able to set it back to make us place our trades. Alright, so if you haven't claimed yours, you can just click on the link showing beneath right here in the video, and it will take you straight to the main video where you can actually follow the process and claim the $50 deposit bonus and start trading. Now, for you to be able to place trades, you need to come back to the site right here, and then you click on the three lines at the top right here. Alright, so once you do that, just see this section that says profile. Now, this is simple step you need to follow if you actually activate the account for you to be able to place trades. Now, click on profile, then you see details like this on the screen where you'll be able to click on oh, I think I clicked on something else. No, you need to click on profile. Now you can see I clicked on profile and you see open support ticket. So once you click on open support ticket, it brings us these details. Now you can see I already done mine, but I'll be showing you how I did it. You click on add new tickets, and for the title right here, you click on issue with trading. I see what I just did, issue with trading, and in this section you put describe. They said describe your problem. Now this is what I did. I put in a message like this: kindly help me resolve the issue with this trading account. I put the account number for the $50 deposit, and you see every single details. And if you actually have a screenshot of the place where it shows trading disabled, you can add it to that section down there. Now once that is done, you now click on submit. If you scroll up a little bit, you see submit in the options right there. So immediately you click on submit. After like 1 hour, you come back to the site right here and place a trade. Now immediately you place a trade and it's still showing trading disabled. It means it has not been, the ticket which you actually opened have not been received, have not been gone through. So you need to make sure the ticket is being opened and they've resolved it. So once the ticket is being resolved, you'll be able to place trade right here in the app. So I hope everything is clear and you can always try it out. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notification. Anytime I drop updates like this, you get notified and you won't miss out. Have a nice day, guys.